In this video, I will show you how to get Roblox Plus. Roblox Plus is the replacement for Roblox Premium, so there's a number of benefits and features of getting Roblox Plus. So make sure to follow along and watch this full video to learn how to get Roblox Plus. And before we do continue, if this video does help you out, then make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe for more Roblox and tech related tutorials. Now to do this, I'll be doing this on the Roblox app on my laptop, so if you just follow along with me, if you're on a PC or laptop, just launch the Roblox Player app, and once you've logged in, you want to come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto the More button here. Now once you've done that, you can see in the top section we have the Roblox Plus option. Give that a click, and what it's going to do is take you to a screen like this. Now at the time of recording, they do offer a free trial. Of course this could change, but at the time of recording there is currently a free trial. So from here you just want to click the blue button here. Now what it's going to do is ask you to pick a plan. So after your free trial, it's going to be a monthly paid subscription, and you can see all the different options available. Now what I'm going to do is just select the basic plan here, which is £4.99, and then click try it for free at the bottom. So once you've done that, it's going to take you to the payment screen, so you can choose to pay with a credit or debit card or PayPal. Of course, the payment methods will vary dependent on your country, so I'm going to just select PayPal from here. Once you've entered your payment information, it's going to take you to this screen. As you can see, we've now got Roblox Plus, and you can see all the different benefits you get when you have Roblox Plus. So for example, you can have free and unlimited private servers, you can trade and resell limited items, you get discounts off in-game items, and there's some other things you get for free as well. So that is how to get Roblox Plus. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.